So we got a little bit of a cleanup going on today. Welcome back to the Tacomaholic channel, everybody. Hope you are having a fantastic weekend. If you'd like to make my weekend just a little bit better, go ahead and subscribe now.
You have chosen wisely.
All right, everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick 5 to 10 minute method using Superclean cleaner to clean your engine bay from the perils of off-roading. I recently went off-roading, I think, last weekend. I tried my best to avoid the mud puddles. Sometimes, it's unavoidable. So I still got pretty dirty under the hood, so we're gonna take care of that right now. Now, this video is not a full engine detail like a Chris Fix, hey guys, where you can put an apple on it and eat it. Nothing like that, because if you're gonna go off-roading, I don't know, at least like maybe twice a month or something like that, obviously more frequently, to me, it doesn't seem worth it to super detail your engine bay because, like I said, even trying to avoid the mud puddles and stuff, your engine bay still gets filthy. So this is for you guys who actually get off-road, leave them all parking lot. If you want to clean the crap out of your engine bay every time you get off-road, more power to you. For me, it's just not worth it. So today, literally 10 minutes, minimal effort.
And maximum effort.
To get your engine bay looking respectable again. All right, guys, outside of a regular garden hose, and I do want to stress that, a garden hose, don't use a pressure washer under your engine bay. I suppose you could from like a safe distance, but it's just not worth it. Everything under your engine bay is designed to get wet, but you don't want to do that high pressure on like the electrical connections and stuff like that. So outside of a regular garden hose, we will just be using 3 products to get this engine bay looking pretty spiffy. Of course, based on the title of the video, we will be using Superclean. I have the foam right here and the regular spray. Personally, I like to use the foam on the actual engine bay where like the dirt is more built up, and the spray non-foam, I guess, on the bottom side of the hood where, I don't know, it seems like the foam, I don't know, personal preference, that's how I like to use it. You can, of course, mix and match, see what works best for you. And then just a long handle brush, unless you're like super tall. I am not tall, so when you're having a lifted truck on 35s, reaching the back middle area of the engine bay is sort of hard, so a little long handle brush with softer bristles. Again, you don't want to mess with those electrical connections. This is not going to scratch anything under the hood. This is not something like you would use on your wheels, just for under the hood. I have a separate brush for everything else, so grab one of these as well. I will, of course, put links for everything down in the description below, so you can check them out. And to show you what kind of results you can expect from this process, here's a quick before. And after. Okay guys, so you can of course lather, rinse, repeat as needed, but again, I just wanted to show you what can be accomplished in literally like 10 minutes. Looking pretty good if I do say so myself. Of course, if you are taller, you can like easily reach some of the back spaces back there, but mainly, I don't know why, but it always seems to bother me when the underhood, when the bottom side of the hood is dirty versus like the engine bay, because I mean, that's unavoidable. But The underside of the hood looks fan-frickin-tastic, and you can always like go back in with some kind of like degreasing wipes like Tubba towels or something and sort of fine tune as needed. One area that is always tricky unless you use like a different like finer tooth brush is like the, I don't know, whatever this bend part of the intake is right here. You can see some of the dirt. I got most of it out of that part, but I mean, again, this is just a 10-minute, if that, cleaning video. World of difference, if I do say so myself. All right, everybody, that is going to do it for this video. Make sure you comment below and let me know what you think. And if you are sort of in the same boat as me where you don't really think it's worth it, giving your engine bay a super fine detailing, getting everything spotless if you go off-roading, I don't know, at least a couple times a month where it just gets filthy in the first 5 minutes you get off the road. As always, thank you so much for supporting the channel by watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.